in this world is made at least partially of carbon. Carbon is crucial in forming the bonds that make up living things like to make.
Carbon is the most abundant element in the universe that forms solid structures. Of course, hydrogen and oxygen and helium are more abundant. Carbon forms structures. As a matter of fact, it's a very unique element. It's an enchanted element.
The key lies in the configuration and size of the carbon atom.
What makes carbon so versatile is two things. Number one, the amount of electrons that it has in its outermost shell, which we refer to as the valence shell, is 4. And it's also in the first row of the periodic table, which makes it a very small atom.
The carbon atom's 4 valence electrons bond with larger elements, such as metals, as they give up electrons, and smaller elements, such as gases, as they try to gain electrons. As a result, carbon forms an amazingly broad range of compounds.
In fact, today there are probably over 10 million known carbon compounds.
The most stable carbon-to-carbon bond is found in diamond, a crystalline lattice of pure carbon.
Diamonds have extreme hardness because the carbons that exist within diamond have been compressed under extreme pressure over billions of years to form this interlocking network of tetrahedra. And this interlocking network of bonds between carbons makes this extremely, extremely hard material. In fact, the hardest naturally occurring material known to man.
Carbon, with its unique bonding capabilities, is also the key element of living things. Thus the phrase carbon-based life forms.
Carbon is an ideal chemical element to be just stable enough to make the stuff of life and the chemicals with which life does.
Astronomers have discovered a white dwarf star known as BPM 37093, composed entirely of crystallized carbon, diamond. With roughly the same mass as our Sun, the star forms a diamond of 10 billion trillion carats. Carbon will return on Modern Marvels.